Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable AWS CloudFront caching for UI changes during testing, full guide step by step clearly. To disable AWS CloudFront caching for UI changes during testing, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudFront service from the Services menu. Locate the distribution you wish to modify by selecting it from the list. Click on the distribution ID to open its configuration settings. Scroll down to the Behaviors tab to review the cache behaviors set for your distribution. Identify the cache behavior associated with your UI changes and click on it to edit. In the Edit settings, find the cache based on selected request headers option. Change the setting to All to ensure that all requests. Next, locate that object caching section. Set the cache policy to the one that limits caching, or create a new one if necessary. If creating a new cache policy, configure the TTL, time to live, settings to a lower value. Setting TTL to 0 can effectively disable caching. Save any changes made to the cache behavior settings. Return to the Distributions tab and select the Invalidations option. This step will ensure instant updates to your changes. Click on the Create Invalidation button. Enter the path to the resources that need to be updated, or use /* to invalidate all cached objects. Submit the invalidation request to apply these changes. Wait for the invalidation status to show as completed. Test your UI changes to ensure they now reflect correctly. With these steps, you have successfully disabled CloudFront caching for your UI changes during testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.